A very warm welcome, everyone. My name is Akanksha Pandey, and I'm currently working as an assistant professor in IIMT College of Pharmacy. Today, I'm here to deliver my lecture on scope of pharmacy. So, moving forward for my content, today I'm having the contents on the definition of pharmacy branches and the scope of pharmacy. Moving forward, I would like to deliver first what is the exact the word pharmacy and what is the definition of pharmacy. The pharmacy word is derived from the Greek word that is pharmakon, which means drug. Pharmacy is the art and science of preparing and dispensing of drug. The formal definition would be of a pharmacist would be a person who is professionally qualified to prepare and dispense of drug. Means a person who is very well educated and qualified in the dispensing and preparing of medicine would be called as pharmacist. Moreover, what are the terms drug and raw material? What are the differences between drug and raw material? So any substance used in the treatment of disease or diagnosis of any disease is known as drug. Diagnosis is the determination and the nature of diseases. Okay. And for raw material, the basic ingredient which are needed for the production, raw materials can either be active drug or inactive substance. Means raw material would be API, which is active pharmaceutical ingredient, or inactive substance like we are using any additives, any kind of substance that binds the drug is known as inactive substance. The material may be natural, semi-synthetic, raw material. Okay, either it will be originated from the plants, or we synthesize it from plant, or we modified it any forms. Okay. Moving forward, what are the scopes of pharmacy? See, if we talk about in short about the scope, that would be veterinary pharmacy, clinical pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, research and development, academics, marketing, industrial, many things. So these are the scopes of pharmacy that we used to you know the scope after the graduation or any master courses or any diploma courses in pharmacy. Okay. So first is the production and manufacturing. What is production and manufacturing? Drug manufacturing is the process of industrial scale synthesis of pharmaceutical drug by pharmaceutical companies. Means any kind of, in common terms, if we talk about the production and manufacturing, it is a normal statement like if we are any product we are producing or synthesizing at the industrial level. The process of drug manufacturing can be broken down into the series of unit operations such as milling, granulation, coating, tablet pressing, any other. So the process would be either you can do just size reduction, size separation. In pharmacy terms, we call it size reduction, size separation, then mixing, then filtration, or wherever we use to extract from the natural plants or in plants material, we use the extraction method. Okay. What is the packaging? Packaging is the science, art, and technology of enclosing or protecting products from distribution, storage, and scale and use. Okay. In common term, what is packaging? It is known as the common science and art, you can say, or the technology of enclosing any product or protecting any product during the distribution or selling or uses is known as the packaging. Pharmaceutical packaging is the economical means of providing protection, identification, information, convenience, and stability of the product. As usual, I have said that the protection of the product or the identification of the product is known as packaging. While we use label on this for the easily convenience and for easily acceptance by the patient and the information regarding the product, we use the labels on the product containers. Moreover, if we talk about the benefits and the functions of packaging, here are the four basic benefits and the functions: product identification, product protection, facilitating the use of product promotion. If we talk about the identification, the label may help us the which product and for which particular disease the active ingredient we have used is the suitable. For the product protection, obviously, we are using the containers as per the product's nature. Like if we talk about the liquid product, we use the plastic bottle containers or the glass bottle containers according to the product or the substances we have used in the that particular dose or drug. Okay, facilitating the use of product. Packaging make product convenient to open, handle, and use by the consumer. Product promotion. Packaging help in the product promotion and attraction that attract the attention of the people while purchasing. So these are the basic functions and the benefits of packaging. Pharmaceutical marketing. This is the another kind of scope, you can say, the marketing. Obviously, if we are producing any product or any drug, the people should be known by people would it known by the marketing strategies or marketing ads. So sometimes called medico marketing or pharma marketing. B&D pharmacy freshers are employed in B&D means here is bachelor's and diploma students. Bachelor's of pharmacy and the diploma in pharmacy freshers are employed in marketing of pharmaceutical products and medical devices as medical representative. Okay. If any person is just working in pharmaceutical marketing, the person is called as the medical representative. Okay. What the exact term medical representative is? A man who represents a pharma company in terms of their brands in front of doctor as well as medical institute. Brand is like the product or the medical device name. The product, if we talk about the paracetamol is the salting. But if we talk about the Dolo is its brand name. So by the supply, any company, if giving any term particular to the drug, that is brand. And if any person is representing it to the company in front of any medical doctor or any medical student, the man would be known as the medical marketing representative. Marketing representative. Okay. Okay. If we talk about the branch of pharmacy, the basic we having the D.Pharm, B.Pharm, and M.Pharm. D.Pharm is stands for the diploma in pharmacy, which is of 2 years of program. B.Pharm is for the bachelor's of pharmacy, which is 4 years of program. And M.Pharm is the 2 years of program, that is master's in pharmacy with the specialization like pharmaceutics and oncology, pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical chemistry. Moreover, we have recent advances in many of the specializations like quality assurance, quality control, and you can say clinical pharmacy. So these are the more branches, cosmeceutics, that students are going to be specialized under the masters in pharmacy specialization. Okay, moreover, we are having MTech also introduced in the master's branch of pharmacy, also MS. The national level institute have introduced MTech and MS in the pharmacy also. Drug analyst, and which testing the accuracy of drug and medication. These industries, especially in order to maintain the proper quantity of drug, in which we are comparison of drug limit test with pharmacopoeia. So who is a drug analyst? It is a you can say a branch or a person who just maintains the proper quantity of drug or the quality of the drug according to the pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia is the standard book, as usual. Already have said, the pharmacopoeia is a standard book represented by any country that have the various parameters specialized. You can say the parameters for any drug like melting point or boiling point is quality, और वो किस चीज के लिए टॉक्सिक हो सकती है, किस मैटर पे किस डोजेस पे जाके टॉक्सिसिटी उसकी क्रिएट होगी, किस लेवल तक उसकी थेरेप्यूटिक एक्टिविटी है, ये सारी चीजें जो भी आपकी डिफाइंड होती है, दैट वुड बी इन द फार्माकोपिया. और एवरी कंट्री हैज इट्स डिफरेंट फार्माकोपिया. लाइक इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द इंडिया, वी हैविंग इंडियन फार्माकोपिया. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द यूरोप हैज द यूरोपियन फार्माकोपिया. US has the US pharmacopoeia. British has the British pharmacopoeia. Every country has its own pharmacopoeia. Okay. Moreover, 2 branches more have been introduced in the industrial level. You can say that the quality control and quality assurance. In simple terms, if we talk about the quality control, it is a kind of a branch, you can say, that maintains the standard of any product by testing its sample. Okay, and the quality assurance maintains the quality of the product. Basically, the जो भी हमारे पास पहले से parameters हैं उनसे compare करके देखते हैं. It's a kind of validation. You can say that validation. Another name is quality assurance. जो भी हमारे products बन रहे हैं उनका paper work जितना भी होता है, that would be in the quality assurance, and the testing work would be in quality control department. Moving forward, if we talk about another department or another scope for the pharmacy, that would be the academic. See, if we talk about the industrial level, they are the trained person. But if we talk about the challenge acceptable, they are the academic person. A person who is trained will work in its flow. But the academic person or the research person or the quality assurance, assurance quality control person, that person would accept the challenges. In academics, this is a profession associated with the job satisfaction and social status. They can teach in any pharmacy institute as a lecturer, professor, and any post. These are the basic post: lecturer, assistant professor, associate professor, professors, business. So these are the various poster or opportunities the person can held in academics. The another one, and the you can say the most demanding scope of the pharmacy, is research and development. The R&D can be defined as any project to resolve scientific or technological uncertainty with the aim of securing advances in science and technology. The pharmacy industry is one such industry that thrives on research and development for the research of new molecule process to be used as a drug, cosmetic, excipient, industrial, chemical, and preservative. See, research and development, what exactly does, he used that particular department used to research about any disease. You can say, if any disease, if we talk about the COVID was a disease, but the researchers have researched about that activity. तो फिर उनके बेसिस पे उन्होंने ड्रग जो भी था हमारा स्टेप आगे कि हमें ऐसे ऐसे ट्रीटमेंट लेना है या हम इस ड्रग की हेल्प से इतना इतना क्योर कर सकते हैं. तो रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट exactly does this. If we are having any kind of disease, research and development is used to study about the disease and just research about the new molecule, its process. Either it can be used in cosmetics or food, any kind of industry. The research and development helps helps the position of researching anything about that disease. And if we talk about the various areas of R&D, the new drug discovery research, process development research, formulation and development process, clinical trial, designing of dosage form, pharmacodynamic studies, bioavailability of drugs, toxicological studies, stability of dosage form. So जो भी है मतलब R&D is not a small kind of skill that he used to just research on the disease. No, वो नए ड्रग की डिस्कवरी भी करते हैं. If we talk about the advancement, तो हमारे फार्मेसी में नैनो पार्टिकल्स, नैनो इमल्शन, लाइसोम्स के अलग अलग हमारे जो भी ड्रग डिलीवरी फॉर्म्स हैं उनके लिए ये रिसर्च करते हैं. प्रोसेस डेवलपमेंट की हमें किस प्रोसेस में कैसे उस ड्रग को देना है. फॉर्मुलेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट, ऑब्वियसली क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स, एज यू वी ऑल नो कि जब भी हम कोई न्यू ड्रग बनाते हैं तो उसके ट्रायल्स होते हैं, स्टेज 1, स्टेज 2, स्टेज 3. तो जो भी ये हेल्ड होता है दैट वुड बी अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ R&D ओनली. डिजाइनिंग ऑफ डोजेज फॉर्म, हमें कैसे बनाना है. फार्माकोडायनामिक स्टडीज, कभी किसी ने सोचा कि मतलब टैबलेट स्क्वायर क्यों नहीं होती है, सर्कल क्यों होती है या ओवल क्यों होती है. बिकॉज इट वुड बी इजी टू इनगल्फ, है ना. तो इजी यही सारी चीजें होती है. डिजाइनिंग ऑफ डोजेज फॉर्म, बायोअवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्रग, टॉक्सिकोलॉजिकल स्टडीज, स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ डोजेज फॉर्म. तो ये सारी की सारी जितनी भी एरियाज हैं ये सारे के सारे R&D के अंडर में आते हैं. R&D is not a small you can say the branch or department. It having a vast scope. Okay, this is for the today. Thank you so much.